Hi everyone, Kirk here with Kirk's Motorrad Shop in Crystal Lake, Illinois. You guys probably thought I fell off the face of the earth. I haven't made a video in a while. Well, I've been working on some things. One of the things I've been working on is an updated poster. Okay, I know a lot of you guys have bought the old poster. There's nothing at all wrong with those old posters. What I changed was a few of the things here. So like there used to be a QR code here that didn't go anywhere, unfortunately, and you have to keep paying for those things. Anyways, I changed that to just the shop logo, and I did add some new data down here. I also went through and I verified all of the data that is all the torque specs that are on here, just to make sure everything was correct. And nobody's ever complained and said, oh, that torque spec is wrong. But I just wanted to go through it and just kind of double check to make sure everything was the way it was supposed to be. And I did add some new data down here. I did find one mistake down here in the bottom. One of the oil filter numbers was the same as an air filter number or something like that. So like I said, I just wanted to go through it, update this thing to now what's called, you can't see it in the video, but it's called the final edition. So this is basically the 2024 final edition of the LT poster, the LT spec poster. This LT, though, it does cover all of the K1200 models. Okay, so if you have just like a K1200 RS or a GT or something like that, you know, one of the older ones with this similar engine that the LT has, the one that is transverse, it's going to cover all of those specs as well. And even if they're not, they're so close that it's just not going to matter. So if you guys would like to purchase one of these posters, maybe to update the current one that you have, or get one altogether new, it does really help support the work that I do here on this channel. And for the month of the remaining part of October, which isn't very much, it's only like a day or two left, but all of November and all of December, all the way until 2024, I'm going to be including one of these shop stickers. This is a vinyl reflective shop sticker. Really, I intended these to go on the back of the bike, but of course you can put them anywhere. Put them on your car, your truck, whatever you got. I'm going to include that in with the purchase of any of these posters until pretty much until January 1st. So thanks so much for all the support that you do give me, all the emails, all the kind words that you send to me. Really appreciate all that, and I hope that you'll pick up one of these posters. It really does help support the work that I do. There's also some other ways down at the bottom of the video or in the description where you can also help support the work that I do. But you're going to be able to find these on eBay. For you guys that are in the UK and different parts of the country, I think there's a way that you can just contact me and I will get you really the best price that I can on the shipping. The shipping's always a little bit restrictive going across, you know, intercontinental, that kind of thing. Guys, thanks so much for watching. I will see you soon. I have some other great videos coming out.